If your app is showing unable to connect, this error is almost always a network block. First of all, swipe down from your phone and then turn on airplane mode. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds before turning it back off. Then switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. And also, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. After that, turn off VPN or private DNS if you're using them. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the US Bank app and then swipe it away. This clears out temporary glitches and then reopen the app. Retry after a few minutes. Tip: mobile data is more reliable than public Wi Fi. And that's it. Subscribe.